Hello everybody. Sorry, I got a new project. You can see it's working. I haven't got a strong communication here at the moment with the GPS. Okay, and you can see it's tracking the International Space Station. It shows on the OLED. It shows the latitude, longitude, and the distance from my longitude and latitude to where the space station is now. Okay, so this is to show you the where it is. This is the NASA website, which show here, which is exactly latitude. I think it's 8.6, and longitude it's I think 108.2. Okay, which it's shown. It's shown here 108, and latitude something 8.5. Yeah, so it is working perfectly. I don't have a strong signal at the moment because you can see the light isn't flashing. It flashes sporadically. Okay, so that's mean that obviously I use it on the windowsill, but now for the purpose of the video I have placed it on my desk, so I had to improvise some form of area that I can still pick up the satellite signal. Okay, so this is the way it works. You just display the longitude and latitude of the ISS, and it shows your position with your latitude and longitude where you are. Can calculate with a Hessian formula where the ISS is, and you can see the distance. It's 12,674 kilometers from me at the moment. Okay, and this is the NASA's website. That once you set it all up, you can check. And this is the code. Okay, in the code, I just need to take. Okay, I'm gonna take my. This is my API key. You gotta put your own API key. Your API key, okay. Yeah, I'm spelling badly here. Okay, so your API key you put it here, a string API key, and this is the satellite ID. In this case, it's the ISS, and that you get it from the N2YO, which is .com, which is a website free, which has satellite, any type satellite that move around our system. Like I had another project where I have the NOAA, which is environmental satellite. There is NOAA 1, NOAA 2, and there is hundreds of satellites that you can track if you want. Okay, so this is the code that I will put on the YouTube channel. Here there is an explanation for every library. I'll put an explanation underneath so you know what it is for. Like a TinyGPS.h. You need to upload this one. You need to upload quite a Arduino JSON for parsing the data. You're going to need a SoftwareSerial because I'm not using TX and RX. I'm making the TX and RX with different pin numbers. Okay. So practically that's the way it works, and obviously this is, you can test this one. Once you add your own API, this is a satellite information gets displayed on the OLED, okay, and this is the I put here the Eversign formula, which calculates picks up my longitude and latitude, and it calculates the distance of the longitude and latitude where the ISS is at the moment, so it gives me an idea where it is. Like the previous one that was done basically on internet, this is done via satellite. Okay, the same principle here. You need to use your username and password of your network. Okay, so I double quote this one because I'm using secrets.h, which is here, and I just keep my my credentials, not public, obviously. All right. So, but if you can double unquote this one. Sorry, double quote the secrets. We don't need it, and you unquote the constant character SSID, and you put your name of your network, and here you put the name of your password. Right. So that's it. Let's go back to the scene, and you can see that now, unfortunately, unless I move the area up, it is not working because I'm trying to lift up the area. Yeah. As a satellite move, it works perfectly on the balcony, but as you see earlier on, it was working, and now it's obviously not working. Okay, so even if I move the area, yeah, but well, guys, thank you very much. I hope you like it, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.